What up, my people? Just doing very good out there. Stay on this our amplifier. Want to make it a real standard professional one. So today, I want to look at how to add LED indicator in such a way that it will be showing us if our signal is minimal or too high. Once the signal is very bright, that's to tell you you are about to clip. You understand? If it is dim, then you're having a good workflow. So this is the indicator. I intentionally just put it here, then just commit because I know I don't want to use that to waste time. So but the wire that goes to that side is here. Yep, these are the two wire. So this is the positive side, while this is the negative side of it. And look at it. Let me just show you. Look at this indicator. Let me put it to a place that the reflection of the light will not be much. Then take your meter. Mind you, when you want to test, if you use 9 volt, it will burn that bulb. That bulb does not have that capacity, you understand? So just take your meter, put it to continuity mode. Once you put it to continuity, all you need to do is this. In case you want to check for the one that is a positive and the negative. So take your probe to one and the other one to the other. Do you see any reading? No. Check if you're we are not on continuity. We should hear that sound, so let's check back. Do you see? No signal. Check the light, no light reflection. Now interchange the probe. Do you see reading? Yes. Do you see the light coming up? Yes. Let me remove it so that you notice the light. You see it is off. If I touch it back, it's on. Look here, please. Here. About look here, this side. Alright, I'll joke aside. So this is a place you look at. If I touch it, you see it coming up and it's giving me reading. You know, LED is just like diode. Reverse flow will never on. Do you see any indicator? No. Turn it back. Touch it. You see it coming up. Remove it. You see. So we are good. So this is our negative. This is our positive. So let's now look at how to pick it up. How to pick the signal. So picking that signal is very, very simple. We know this one to be our positive side and this one to be our negative side. So what you do is this. You go to your speaker output, which is this one. This is my output. Or if you are not sure of what you are doing, go to the major output. You understand the positive side of it. So this positive will go there and pick signal. But instead of wasting my time there, okay, if I take my meter now, for example, you know, we are the one that built this thing from scratch, so we understand the workflow very well. So if I touch it this way now, what is here is still what is going here. You understand? So I can easily pick that signal from this place. It's still here. It's here. You understand? So I can pick it. In fact, it's here too. We are the author of this, so we know our thing very well. So we can easily come here and pick the signal from here instead of wasting wire. And that will even prevent our work. Imagine I'm picking it from this place. Look at the wire, it's too rough. I don't like rough job, you understand? So all you need to do is, mind you, I'm using a strong wire. It's just flexible in look, but it is a jumper wire, it's strong. You understand? Sorry. So here's what we have to do to make it neat. Lay it the way you want. Okay, I guess it's okay this way. Then we'll cut this place off. Then we'll sew it from here. So let's do that. Pam. Here we go. And let's peel it up. So here we are. Then I can easily put it there. You know the way I like doing my stuff. I like securing my connection to ensure it is firm. Because sometimes you may sew and you'll be surprised it's not firm because it's not connected to the part you want it to touch. So first ensure they touch each other. Oh, sorry, lest I forget, don't connect straight. You need a resistor because the signal coming there is high. It can burn the bulb. So all you need to do is get a 100 ohm resistor. If you have 1k, it will work. If you have 2k, 10k, it will work. It will just reduce the brightness level. So I like 100 ohms so that I will be able to see the reflection where of the light. Not that I will be doubting it, you understand? So I put my 100 ohms here now, you see. Let's solder it up. Let's see. Good. So we'll solder this now. Remember the way we do it. Secure your work. Tape it. You can see. Tape your work. Anything can happen. So it's got to just secure it that way. So now the resistor will easily help this bulb from burning unnecessarily. Okay. So now this is the side that will now be connected to that output, which is here. So this is where we'll be connecting now. So with this one we can easily know maybe our amp is supplying or not. So for example, let's say you are in a case whereby you are confused. Let's say you have some little issue and you're like, is the amplifier the one having issue or the speaker? Once this LED reflect light, that's to tell you that there is output coming out, then it may be maybe your what's this so called, your plug or the wire is not secure, you understand, to your speaker. Maybe that's where the problem is, so you'll be able to troubleshoot better. So that is the advantage of the bulb. Once you see that signal, that is to tell you that there is signal coming out, I mean like output is coming out from this amplifier, so you know where to trace. And also apart from that, once the light is becoming too bright, that is to tell you that you are clipping. But when it's normal, just bright a bit or low, then you're having a very good signal. Alright, so this is our positive side of the bulb, which is secure here 100%. To just reduce this wire, I don't like too much rough wire, understand? So let's control this way. Yeah, this is much better. Now this is our ground. We have a lot of place we can pick our ground. Remember, we attach one ground here. Anywhere on this chassis it is ground, you understand? If I connect it here, is it ground? Let's check. So anywhere we pick our ground from, we are good to go. Let's see. This is my meter. This is my ground here. Let me touch the chassis. It's ground. It is ground, so I can easily pick my ground here without making our wire too long. So let me cut this one here. And since the ground is not carrying too much hot signal, so the wire I'm using is not too thick but not too flexible too, but to do the job. So all I need to do is just attach it. If you like, attach it here. If you like to the chassis, anywhere you like. So far that part has metallic part, it will conduct. Sorry, there reflection, I'm trying to avoid it. Alright, better. So let's do that very fast, and I will wrap up this project. Okay, so let's now attack little LED here. Don't need too much, just little. Then let's join it up. See it now, 100% secure. So now our input signal is ready. So let's see if our connection is firm. This is the ground. Good. We are good to go. So this is a ground too. We have the ground, then the positive side comes to the output from the speaker. We connect 100 ohms resistor to help prevent the speaker from the, what is so called, the bulb from burning. So I guess that's all we can do for this amplifier. Let's now look at it in full details. Stage 1, we work on the major input, power input. So from there we pass through our switch to our transformer, from the transformer to our rectifying diode, from our diode to our capacitor, from our capacitor then we'll connect our preamp and our transistors together. We loop them up. Then for our fan is 12 volts and we only have a very high level of voltage here. So what we did is we make use of a what's the so-called voltage regulator 7812. If this is confusing you, I intentionally make this video a series so that you'll be able to understand. It will not be one video and it will be giving you a headache. No. So the major input of the high voltage, the ground, then the output going to the fan. So I guess that's all. And this is the output. And from the output, we also run the connection to our LED that will indicate to us whenever we have signal or not. And this is our volume. We did this together. This is the volume. This is off. This is on. So that's all. We are good to go. And we may work on the input signal, input socket too, which is here. I guess that's all. Thank you so much for watching up to this extent. See you guys in my next video. All I need to do is just cover it. I have the casing here. Maybe you want me to do it so that Kukuma know we are through with our project. I'll do one more thing, but I don't think I can do that now because I don't have the bulb. Where I would have loved to put one AC bulb that will indicate whenever this amp comes on, whenever I switch off, you understand? So we'll be able to know that, oh, it's powered on, it's powered off. But I don't have AC bulb right now, but we can do that in the future. It's just the only upgrade we need for this power amplifier, but every other thing is 100% secure. But immediately we switch it on, automatically we hear sound and we hear the fan rotating, so we'll be able to know. And if our signal is coming, we'll see the indicator here. So I guess that's not really a problem, but I would like to put it later on in the future. Thank you. See you guys in my next video where we do final test run.